Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello. Welcome back to class. We have a very interesting, conceptual question from the magnetic effects of electric current. These assertion reasoning questions can seem tricky at first, but once you visualize the physics behind them, they become super easy. Let's dive in. Take a look at the screen. As usual, we are given two statements to evaluate. One is the assertion and the other is the reason. Our assertion statement claims that the deflection of a compass needle placed near a current-carrying wire decreases when the magnitude of the electric current in the wire is increased. Keep that in mind. And our reason statement tells us, strength of the magnetic field at a point due to a current-carrying conductor increases on increasing the current in the conductor. From these, we have to pick the correct code. Is it option A, meaning both are true and perfectly related? Option C, where only the assertion is true? Or option D, where the assertion is false, but the reason is true? Let's figure this out together. To solve this perfectly, let's bring in a visual setup. Imagine a straight copper wire passing through a cardboard plane, connected to a battery. Notice the compass placed near the wire. Right now, a steady current is flowing, creating a circular magnetic field around it. Now, let's evaluate our first statement, the assertion, by actually doing the experiment here on screen. Watch closely. When we increase the electric current, see the battery getting bigger, the magnetic field lines become much denser and closer together. This means the strength of the magnetic field has heavily increased. Now, think about the compass. A stronger magnetic field will naturally exert a much greater magnetic force on the poles of that tiny compass needle. Watch the needle. Boom! It deflects much further away from its initial position. The deflection clearly increases. But wait, our assertion claimed that the deflection decreases. Because our experiment proves the exact opposite, we can confidently say that the assertion statement is completely false. Half the job is done. Now, let's evaluate the reason statement. It states that the magnetic field strength increases on increasing the current. From our core electromagnetism principles, we know that the magnetic field produced by a straight wire is directly proportional to the current flowing through it. We literally just saw this happen in our animation. More current gave us a much stronger field. Therefore, the reason statement is absolutely true. So, bringing it all together, the assertion is false, but the reason is true. If we look at our choices, this perfectly matches option D. Go ahead and select option D. Awesome job. See, visualizing the concept makes it impossible to get it wrong. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!